everyone, today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial. Obviously you guys already tell by the thumbnail and already tell by the title of this video. I am going to be doing like a little first impressions review only on this palette, no other products, just this palette. This is the Profusion Cosmetics Pro Pigment 21 Pro Pigment Shades dual ended brush. Yeah, so this is what it looks like when it's open. I got this at Target for $10 and it's really cheap. It's 21 shades for $10. Okay, put that in my cart. It was $9.99, but you know, whatever. But yeah, there was a lot of other colors. I'm pretty sure this is a new collection from Profusion, which I think I'm a little bit late. I think it's like a couple months, maybe a couple of weeks old. So sorry, I just haven't seen anyone or seen anything about their collection at all. I mean, I follow Profusion, but I just never seen it because I have so many people that I follow and I just don't see it in my feed. So yeah, but I mean, I love the holographic. It's so cool. That pink though, oh my god. I really like this palette. I really recommend this palette. I am going to be talking about it more later in the video. So if you want to learn how to get this look, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so today, obviously you guys already tell by the title of this video, we are going to be doing a makeup tutorial. And oh my god, my hair is driving me insane. I'm going insane with this hair. So the other day when I curled it, which was last video, when I curled my hair and stuff, it was, one side was longer than the other, and I hated it. It was so annoying, and I was like, okay, fine, it's cool. I could deal with it until this side gets longer than this side, but when it's straightened, it's worse. Like, do you see that? And that's like straight, so like that, I'm so annoyed. We're going to be reviewing this palette right here. This is a new palette. I'm pretty sure this is new. I don't know about like new, but I know it's pretty new. This video is just going to be talking about the formula of the shadows I'm going to be using. This is my first time using this palette, so let's just get into this makeup tutorial. So I haven't primed my eyes yet, so I'm going to prime my eyes with this Wet n Wild concealer in light ivory. I'm just going to put a little bit on my lids as a primer. So the brush that I'm going to be taking first, I am going to be using this brush that came with the palette, but I'm not going to use that right now. I'm going to use this Morphe M441 brush first. And it's just a big fluffy blending brush, whatever. And I think I'm going to be taking, I don't want to take these colors right here first as my transition because they're a little bit too cool toned for me. And I really don't like cool tones on me. So I think I'm just going to go in with this one right here, which is crazy. I might be insane, but I'm going to go in with that one, and it's called Disco. So it's blending out pretty good. I think personally, I think it's really blending out pretty good, to be honest. Now I'm gonna go in with a Jive, which is right here. I think that's Jive. Yeah, I think, yeah. Right here, it's that really intense hot pink that is pigmented. I'm just going to do the same exact thing, but keep it lower since that purple / pinkish was our transition shade. I want to keep this lower so when we apply this color, you could still see that color that we just applied. That's pink. That's pink, alright. I'm also going to wing this out also. We're not going to be doing a cut crease, like a full cut crease, but we are going to be doing a half cut crease But you don't have to do this step. You can just like keep it all round and really like sharp or whatever, but I kind of really want to bring that out a little bit. Oh my god, that is so pink. Oh my. Because I didn't think when I swatched it, like right after we bought it, my mom bought it, in the car, I like right away swatched that pink, because that's the whole reason why I got this palette, is because of that pink. There was a warm palette. I forgot what the other palettes looked like, but there was a warm palette, like a very warm palette, and this palette, and I was like, I really want the warm palette. Maybe I'll get it next time, because this pink, I need to do a makeup video with it, because I haven't done a pink makeup look in so freaking long, and I don't have a pink like this. I have pinks in my collection, but I don't have a hot pink, so that's why I got it, because like this pink is just like, whew. Now the process of doing this look, you're gonna look real stupid, and I feel like that right now, but when it's all done and when you have lashes on and your face makeup on, you won't look dumb, you know? I'm gonna be taking Devoted. I'm just gonna be putting that on the outer part of my eye, and also a little bit into the crease. I really like this color. It's not as pigmented as the other colors, I feel like. Maybe it's just because of my base, or the base that I use, like the primer, or the other eyeshadows, but it's not as pigmented, but it's still showing up. It just took a little bit longer to build it up, which is, I'm totally fine with that, with taking the time of building it up. I really like this color, to be honest. Like, it's really pretty. And I'm looking at shimmer shadows right now. I don't know what I want to go in with. And some of these shadows are really chalky and not really good. But yeah, I don't know if I want to go in with a matte color, like a different color, like a yellow or like something else, or if I want to go in with a shimmer shade. So I think I'm going to be taking this color, which is called Queen, and it's like a holographic, not holographic, but like in the light it's blue, so I think I'm going to take that. Really pretty. So I'm going to be taking that on a flat brush, and actually let's cut the crease actually first. Let's do that first. I'm going to be taking the same concealer that I used to prime the lids. And then I'm going to take the brush that came with the palette and just blend the outer part. Now you could definitely just keep it like this, plop on lashes, and then you're done, because this is really pretty. Like, I would totally like just keep it like this, but I really want to add that color that I showed you guys. So, and just to mess with a shimmer shade, so I could tell you guys like how like pigmented they are and stuff like that, since this is like a review on this palette or whatever. So, whoa, not bad. It's not like crazy pigmented, but I was kind of having doubts of the shadow right here, so I'm kind of surprised that it's kind of pigmented. I'm going to go back in Devoted, and I'm just going to add a little bit more of that color just to darken it up a little bit. Now, unfortunately, this does not have a black. It has that really dark blue shimmery shadow, but that's not what I want. So I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette right here. I'm gonna go in with this palette, and I'm gonna go in with the black in here, which is right here. Now, I was just taking the black and just like going up with it, and then I took the same brush that we took Devoted with, and I was just blending that out, and that just gave it a little bit more definition, and it looks really pretty. I really like how this looks. So I'm gonna go pop on my lashes, do my full face, and do my lippy, and then I'll be back with you guys with the lower lash line, and I'll tell you guys what my lippy is when I come back. So I'll be right back. Girl, this lippy though, kind of living for it. It's so dramatic, but like really living. These lashes, I'm gonna tell you guys what I used. The lashes are, I forgot what they're called. Like literally, like I was about to say it, but then it just disappeared from my head. So I'll have it down below for you guys to go check out. I don't remember what they're called, but they'll be down below for you guys. And then I put on I tight lined with this Smoke and Mirrors liner. So I went with these two right here. This is the Maybelline New York Superstay Matte Ink in Dreamer, I believe. Yeah, Dreamer. Then I put on this little priming gloss stain, I guess it's called. It's like a lip gloss. I don't know, but I got it in my Ipsy 1 month. And it's a Manna Kadar lip locked priming gloss stain. And all of me, by the way. So yeah. Alright, so I want to go in with the first color that we went in with in the crease. If you don't remember, that is this color right here, and I'm going to grab that color, this Go, and I'm going to put that on the bottom lash line, and I'm also going to, like, whatever color that we take down here, I'm going to, like, make sure it's connected up here. So now I'm going to go right in with Jive, I think it's called. I'm going to go in with Devoted, which is right here, and I'm just going to put that on the outer part of the eye. Now I'm going to be taking the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, and I'm going to be taking that black just a little bit at a time and just really put it on the outer part of the eye. Okay, so the camera turned off on me when I was messing with the black. The black, I put it on the outer part of the eye, like really back there. And I didn't put a lot, I just put a little bit. I just was making sure I didn't put too much since this look is already like out there. I did change my lippy because I just wasn't feeling it anymore. I mean, it looked good, but I just wasn't and I'm not even really, I mean, I'm feeling it. But, I mean, I don't know, I can't find the right lippy for this look. This looks good with it also, but it's not like the perfect nude for this look. I just don't have like a nude that would match this like makeup look. But the color that I used, the two colors that I used are the Ulta Beauty lipsticks in Honey and Blossom. This is a nude and this is a pinky nude. So I just mixed them together and that's what this is right here. And then I put on mascara on my bottom lash line. And then my inner corner highlight is the L'Oreal Paris 24-Hour Eyeshadow in Ice Latte. And yeah. But yeah, so if you guys like this makeup look, I really love how it turned out. I'm really proud of myself on how this turned out and how like I did it. Now I really love this palette. There's just some colors that I really do not like the frosty kind of colors I don't like. So this color right here, this color, this color, this color, so far I've swatched those. And they're not really good at all. They're just not pigmented. So the other colors that I've swatched so far, they're really good. They're really pigmented. I just wouldn't really grab the frosty shades. Maybe I have a bad palette. Maybe I don't. Maybe they're all like this. So the frosty shades I would just stay away from because they're not really Gucci. Maybe they're like toppers for other shades, I don't know, but they're just really not pigmented. They're chalky. No. But I really like the other colors. The other colors are really pigmented. I really recommend this palette. But yeah, so all my social medias will be down below for you guys. Everything that I used on my eyes today and my lippy will be down below for you guys also. And yeah, so I don't think there's anything else to tell you guys, but I love you guys and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!